Hey guys, welcome to Woodzman Adventures. I am out today. I'm on the Honda Trail 125, and I'm just out checking out some old roads that I've not been on, some trails out in the mountains from way back in the 1800s when people was doing lots of mining here. There was lots of silver mining going on. A lot of prospectors come into this area, and they also had to watch out back in those days for Apache. There's a lot of Apaches out here, and it was a bad deal. I mean, this is one rocky hill. I think I can make it. It's steeper than it looks, too. I know this probably looks flat on the camera, but it's not. But we got to go up this. I guess just try it. We made the first part. Keep it rolling. Try to miss as many of them big rocks as I can. But there's all kinds of mines out in this area. This is like crazy out in these mountains. I've never been out in this area either. First time on this road. I actually just noticed it. I was headed toward Tombstone. I was only a few miles from Tombstone, which is not very far from my house. And I seen this road. Oh, wow. Something down in there. Some old mining roads over on the mountain over there. Some up there. A lot of those, this little trail 125 is not going to do it. Like this one, I don't know if I can go down there or not. Probably can. So far, it don't look too bad, but it may get worse. I'd rather not have to push this thing out. This is pretty rough, pretty steep. It's crazy if you guys could see some of the stuff, the steepness. It just looks flat on camera. You just have to trust when I say it's steep, it's steep. You know? That's all we can do there. What have we got? Oh yeah, I think I can make this. And there's more that go off, but there's this one like went through there and up that way, up that mountain. And I imagine it's to mine. It's pretty much what all these go to. I don't think many people go in here from the looks of the road. There's been some. I've seen some tread marks of like a Jeep or a side-by-side or something. So see, now it goes down that way. And it goes up this way, but I don't think this goes anywhere. We'll see. Oh, maybe. So like there's one right there too. They just dug out all over this place. Searching for silver, copper, gold. All kinds of stuff. They found a huge silver deposit. And that's why Tombstone is Tombstone. Because of the silver. I don't know if there's an exit to this or not. So we're going to find out. Get the Choyas. Little bitty one there. A little bit bigger one there. There's a little, looks like a barrel caches of some kind there. Not sure. I don't know all these names of these cactuses. Man, there is freaking trails all over out in there. All over in these mountains, way over there. This one goes up there. I'll have to have the 300 if I'm gonna go up the big hill climbs. I hope this one comes out down here. I hope. Whoa, man, that was rough. If you'd have seen that, I hit a rock under the belly. It lifted up the back of the bike, went sideways, and my chest hit right there. It hit the horn, hit the mirror. Wild. It's a wild ride. Trying to miss all these stickers that are on these little mesquite bushes. Okay, that's the best way. There ain't no best way. There's just a way. Whoa. Yeah, see, we're back right there. There's all kinds of trails out in that way. This one goes, I have no idea where to go. I know one thing, I'll have to find my way out of here. At least I have the Garmin Tread 2 GPS on here. I may need it. Several miles out through here and all these different trails going every direction. I don't know which one I turned on. We're going down in the canyon now. I'm glad I aired the tires down. It's a whole lot rougher if you don't. Now see, this one goes both ways. There's a bunch of dirt up there. This one shows on the map going this way. But who wants to stay on the map? Let's go this way first. See what's up here. If you stay on what's on the map, oh wow, we got an old building up here. Check this out. Old cabin of some kind. Holy cow, what a road. I'm gonna get dumped on rain. Look at that over the mountains coming this way. Well, I thought I smelled a polecat. And there he is. Yummy. What in the world have we found here? This is awesome. It's just an old cabin. We're gonna explore this. I'm sure it's an abandoned mining cabin. That's what it is. It looks like an ore cart with no wheels on it. It's the tub part off of one. Check this out. I mean, they had rock walls built up around here. Pretty wild. Let's see what this is. Probably a den for rattlesnakes. Holy cow. I would say that was their cistern where they stored water. That's what I'd say that was. I'm sure it had a roof over it at the time. This is awesome. Awesome find. So, big old tank out there. It has seen better days. And there's probably a mine right here somewhere. Sorry for my heavy breathing. It is what it is. Look at this. What is that? It's like where they drilled and took samples out of the rock. The whole floor is covered in it. That's like lime powder over there in the barrels, maybe. That's what that is. Crazy. You got foam insulation. Oh no, that's not foam. That's stucco on the walls. Look in here. Gotta be a rattlesnake in there somewhere. So that goes in there and it V's off. Is that the mine? Surely not. Oh wow, what the heck is them things there with the water hose hooked to them? Going up through the ground. One here, hose comes out of there. I have no idea. I've seen that white, I thought that was foam, but that's block there. It's got stucco over it. Let's go back up this way and look. Check this out. It was to do with their mining, no doubt. And these two tanks both had a drain. The pipe come out and went out there. This one's empty. Crazy. Looks like gas pipes is what it looks like there. I'm hot now. Mine's got to be right back here somewhere. With all this stuff, I'd say it was back in this area. Oh, I'm thinking it is. If that's it, it's all fell in. But it probably has to be. Look at all that. Rubbish. More stuff over there on the hill, all kinds of rubbish. But that's what I like to do, bring you guys out here with me to see this stuff. I don't always find something, but sometimes I luck out and find something like this, which is cool. There is just junk everywhere. Oh, here's another old something out here. If we can get to it. Through the maze of mesquite. I don't know. It definitely got some bullet holes in it. Huh. I don't know. So mining road over there. There's one up through here. Goes up there. This used to be a building. It's long gone. But how cool is that? See, if I'd have went left back there, I would have missed it. There's all kinds of stuff up in there, I'm sure. We have got to explore. Look at all them piles out there for more mining. Probably had a pretty good operation here at one time. Well, we'll go back down to the bike. Go the easy way this time. Look at how rutted out this is. Something been digging there. Some kind of animal. That's a pretty steep hill right there, I'm telling you. Come up around, I came through that way, but you come around that corner, that is steep. Super steep. There's the beast. Well, there we go, guys. I'm gonna get out here. We're gonna go explore some more. We'll see you all on the next video. God bless you all. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new adventure. We'll catch you on the next one. Right on.